Good morning, students. Myself, Sri K. D. Borse, sir, biology subject teacher. In last lecture, we detail discuss parturition and lactation. Now, today we are going to learn some more concepts like reproductive health and birth control. So, let us start to today's first concept known as reproductive health. What is reproductive health actually? According to WHO, means World Health Organization, reproductive health means total well-being of a person, emotional, behavioral, physical and social aspects involving reproduction, called as reproductive health. Here noted, WHO, World Health Organization. What is reproductive health? Total well-being of a person's emotional, behavioral, physical and social aspect involving a reproduction, called as reproductive health. The term reproductive health refer to healthy reproductive organs with normal function. So healthy reproductive organ with normal function is the reproductive health. Now, what is meant by reproductively healthy society? This is a most important question noted here. What is meant by reproductively healthy society? A society with peoples having physically and functionally normal reproductive organs, means whole society contain peoples physically, functionally normal reproductive organs, normal emotional and behavioral interactions amongst them in all sex related aspects might be called as reproductively healthy society. Means reproductively healthy society contain all people's physically and functionally normal reproductive organs with normal emotional and behavioral interactions amongst them in all sex related aspects, so called as a reproductively healthy society. Okay, now of all the social goal of India, an important one is to attain total reproductive health. So to attain total reproductive health is one of the important social goal of the India. Here one of the question is created, which one is social goal of India to attain total reproductive health is one of the important social goal of India. India was amongst the first few countries in the world to initiate action plan and programs at national level to improve reproductive health. To improve reproductive health is one of the most important objective or goal. India with some countries in the world that initiate action plan and program at national level to improve reproductive health. Always remember, example in India, family planning program, in Marathi Kutumba Niyojan Karyakram were initiated in 1951. So in India, family planning program were initiated in 1951 is most important example is to improve reproductive health goal or objective at national level program in India. Now these programs means on the basis of reproductive health are currently inoperated under reproductive and child health care program called as RCH. Reproductive and child health care program, RCH program. So RCH program is currently operated under this program to improve reproductive health. So always noted, currently operated program based on reproductive health known as RCH means reproductive and child health care program. Goals of RCH program. What are the goals or objective of RCH programs? Number one, first goal of RCH program to create awareness among the people about various aspects related to reproduction. To create awareness among the people about various aspects related reproduction, the first goal of RCH program. Second one is to provide the facility to peoples to understand and build up reproductive health. So build up reproductive health is the second goal of RCH program. Now the third one is to provide support and building up reproductively healthy society. Whole society reproductive healthy building up, provide support is one of the goal of RCH program to bring about the changes mainly in three critical health indicators, that is reducing total means total reducing infertility rate. Second one is total reducing infant mortality rate and total reducing maternal mortality rate. So here all these three indicators are reduced by some action or through awareness is one of the most important goal of RCH program. Here these three critical health indicators are noted. Infertility means not ability to reproduction rate is reduced. Infant mortality means in Marathi बालक मृत्यू दर कमी करणे reduce, and maternal mortality rate reducing means माता मृत्यू दर कमी करणे. So all these three main critical health indicators are reduced by action of RCH program, maybe with awareness to the different peoples, society, couples, youngs or school student is also in. So here all these four different goals of RCH program noted always. The goal of RCH can be achieved by following ways, or what are the ways to achieve goal of RCH? First one is by introduction of sex education in school. Our syllabus contain this chapter is also a way achieve RCH goal. Provide correct information to the youngs. So discourage believing myths and misconceptions about the sex related aspects. Young ones believe different myths and misconception about the sex related aspect. So the correct information provide to the young ones is resulting discourage believing myths misconception about the sex related aspects of the young. Third one is help audio visual and the print media awareness about various aspects related to reproduction. So awareness various aspect related reproduction with the help of audio visual and print media. Number 4, proper information about sexually transmitted diseases like STD, sexually transmitted diseases. AIDS is also, AIDS. So sexually transmitted diseases information proper provide to the different peoples, couples, young ones, school student is also by developing awareness about problems arising due to uncontrolled population growth. Today's very big problem, uncontrolled population growth. Due to uncontrolled population growth, different problems arising. So such problems solved by different ways awared by RCH program by educating couples to reduce mortality rate of newborns, also reduce maternal mortality rate. So due to education provide couples reduce mortality rate newborn as well as reduce maternal mortality rate. Here in Marathi, mortality rate of newborn means बालक मृत्यू दर कमी करणे, तसेच माता मृत्यू दर कमी करणे हे शक्य होईल जर का कपलला आपण एज्युकेटेड केलं तर. हा दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द वे ऑफ RCH goal achievement. Number 7, by educating the younger generations about birth control measure, prenatal care pregnant woman, postnatal care of mother and child. So all these 3 aspects are included in our syllabus in this chapter. So we discuss all these aspects. So the educating to the younger generation provide is one of the way of RCH achievement, RCH goal achievement. Importance of breastfeeding. What is the importance of breastfeeding? Detail discuss in last lecture. So all these aspects are very important and educating to the younger generation by creating awareness about statutory ban on amniocentesis. Amniocentesis is one of the chromosomal aberration detection test. So by this test detect different genetically disorder diseases, but today's condition amniocentesis is used only for sex determination, maybe male child or female child. So on amniocentesis ban statutory and create awareness to the peoples. Number 9, by creating awareness about child immunization program, Bal Lasikaran program, in Marathi. So from birth to some development, provide different vaccines to the child is also awareness by RCH program is one of the way of RCH goal achievement by educating couples to reduce mortality rate of newborns as well as reduce maternal mortality rate. So here all these 10 different ways goals of our RCH can be achieved. Hope that you understood everything. Now we detail discuss Indian population. About Indian population, approximately 350 millions at the time of independence. Independence 1947. So up to 1947 approximately India's population is about 350 millions. Reached close to the 1 billion marked by 2000, means up to 2001 billions population in India, crossed 1.2 billions in May 2011, and now in 2020 population of India has crossed 1.35 billions. Here all the blue colored noted points are population in India, how grew from independence to 2000 to May 2011 to current 2020 year. So always noted point, today's 2020 population of India has crossed 1.35 billions. So Indian population growth is one of the most or major serious problems in India. The government is taking serious measure to check or control this population growth. The most important step to overcome this problem means control population growth. The most of important step to overcome this problem means control population growth is to motivate society to have smaller families. To motivate society to have smaller families by using various birth control methods. So birth control method is one of the important step overcome to problem. So here we discuss birth controls. how birth control takes place. What is actual birth control? A variety of methods are known for birth control, which is used for prevent fertilization. You know, the birth control methods, important goal or objective is prevent fertilization, that is prevent pregnancy. Birth control measure also referred to as contraceptives. Means contraceptive is also a birth control measure. So the contraceptive method help to prevent unwanted pregnancy, prevent fertilization, prevent unwanted pregnancy. Most contraceptives should be easily available, effective, with no or least, means very less side effect. So easily available, effective, with no or least side effect, all these are characteristics of contraceptive. So we detail discuss contraceptive methods are two main types. You know, contraceptive means birth control measure. So birth control methods are of two main types. Also contraceptive methods are two main types. One, temporary contraceptive method or birth control method, and second one is permanent contraceptive method or birth control method. So we detail discuss one by one. First one is temporary contraceptive methods. So in temporary contraceptive methods are different types of temporary contraceptive methods include total 7 different types. First one is natural method or safe period or rhythm method is the first type of temporary contraceptive method. Second one is coitus interruptus, also called as withdrawal, is one of the type of temporary contraceptive method. Number third, lactational amenorrhea or absence of menstruation is one of the type of temporary contraceptive method. Number four, chemical means spermicides to kill the sperm by chemicals is one of the temporary contraceptive method type. Mechanical means barrier methods is one of the type of temporary contraceptive methods. Physiological or oral devices are also type of temporary contraceptive method. And last one is other contraceptive methods are a type of temporary contraceptive method. So all of 7 we detail discuss one by one. So all 7s are different type of temporary contraceptive methods. We detail discuss one by one. First one is natural method, safe period, rhythm method is the type of temporary contraceptive method. It is a natural method especially for avoiding fertilization. You know, each and every contraceptive method is especially for avoid fertilization as well as avoid pregnancy. So in this method is also specially for avoiding fertilization. It is a natural method. How occurs this method? A week before and a week after menstrual bleeding. You know menstrual bleeding? At the time of menstrual cycle, the first 4-day bleeding takes place. So this period called as menstrual bleeding. So before week and after week of menstrual cycle, menstrual bleeding is considered safe period for sexual intercourse. You know sexual intercourse also called as copulation. So safe period for sexual intercourse is a week before and a week after menstrual bleeding. Always remember, safe period for sexual intercourse is a week before and a week after menstrual bleeding. The idea is based on following fact. Ovulation occurs on 14th day of menstrual cycle. You know liberation of ovum from graphene follicle on the 14th day of menstrual cycle in the ovary. So release egg, that is secondary oocyte from graphene follicle. After that catch a fimbriary part of the infundibulum and it transfer to the ampulla site. At that place the unfertilized egg is fertilized by mate sperm. So this based fact on a week before and a week after menstrual bleeding, safe period for sexual intercourse. Its drawback like in having high rate of failure. So noted the point. Its drawback lies having high rate of failure. So noted, a week before and a week after menstrual bleeding is considered as safe period of sexual intercourse, and this is the natural method, safe method, a rhythm method, and a type of temporary contraceptive method, especially for avoiding fertilization. So here we detail discuss first type of temporary contraceptive method. Second one is coitus interruptus or withdrawal. How occurs this method? In this method, the male partner withdraws his penis from the vagina just before ejaculation so as to avoid insemination. Male partner withdraw his penis from vagina just before ejaculation. You know, during ejaculation 2 to 4 ml semen enter into the vagina. So semen contain millions of sperm. So this ejaculation semen is withdrawal before insemination. Due to this, avoid fertilization and avoid pregnancy. So the coitus interruptus or withdrawal is one of the type of temporary contraceptive method. This method also has some drawbacks. Pre-ejaculation fluid may contain sperms. You know, pre-ejaculation fluid may contain sperms and this can cause fertilization. So this is the drawback of coitus interruptus or withdrawal type of temporary contraceptive method. Noted. Always remember point. Here we detail discuss coitus interruptus or withdrawal method. Now the third one is lactational amenorrhea, absence menstruation. What is actual lactational amenorrhea? This method is based on the fact that ovulation does not occur. Ovulation does not occur during the period of intense lactation. So during the period of intense lactation, ovulation does not occur. This fact on as long as the mother breastfeeds the child fully, as long as the mother breastfeeds the child fully, chances conception or pregnancy are almost negligible. So simply, if the mother milk breastfeeding the child fully, so during this period the chances of conception or pregnancy is almost negligible, means pregnancy is not takes place during the mother breastfeeds the child fully. So this is the type of temporary contraceptive method, because this method is prevent pregnancy or conception or fertilization. So however, this method also has high chances of failure. You know, pregnancy is not takes place by this method. So this method is also high chances of failure. Now the fourth one is chemical means or spermicide. So chemical means or spermicide is one of the type of temporary contraceptive method. You know, spermicide means sperm killing chemical. You know, insecticide killing insects, herbicide killing herbs. So spermicide means killing the sperm chemical. In this method, chemicals like foam, tablets, jellies and creams. Here all these three different forms of chemicals like foam, tablets, jellies, creams. So all these different form of chemicals are used by the female partner. Always remember, spermicides or chemicals are used by female partner before sexual intercourse or copulation process. If these chemicals means foams, tablets, jellies and creams are introduced into vagina, they adheres to the mucous membrane, means the chemical is adheres to the mucous membrane, immobilize and kill sperms. So here by chemical or action of chemical to kill the sperm. You know, during sexual intercourse, a single ejaculation 2 to 4 ml semen contain millions of sperm enter into the vagina through penis. So at that time, before sexual intercourse, if the chemicals are introduced or application into the vagina, due to the chemical nature, all this sperm kill by chemical action, like foam, tablet, jellies, scream are the form of chemical. So if all the sperm kill in the vagina, avoid fertilization and avoid pregnancy. This method also has some drawbacks. It may be cause allergy. You know, when the different form chemicals apply in the vagina or introduce into the vagina, at that time some chemicals causes a reaction, allergic reaction to the female partner. So this is a drawback of this system. And chemical means or spermicide is one of the type of temporary contraceptive method. Up to this method is also chances of failure is also. Up to this we detail discuss total 4 different type of temporary contraceptive methods. Remaining 5, 6, 7 we discuss in the next lecture. Up to this we detail discuss temporary contraceptive methods, contain 4 different types. Hope that you understood everything. Now review today's topic. Today we detail discuss reproductive health. What is mean by reproductively health society, also reproductive and child health care program, RCH program, goals of RCH. Also the goals of RCH can be achieved by different ways. About Indian population, also birth control, contraceptive, 2 main type of contraceptive. One is temporary contraceptive method and other is permanent contraceptive methods. First 4 temporary contraceptive methods we detail discuss today's lecture. Now on the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question noted here. Which one is an important social goal of India? Yes, to attain total reproductive health. In India, initiate 1950 a national level reproductive based program known as Family Planning Program. In India, currently operated one of the national level reproductive based program known as Reproductive and Child Health Program, RCH program. A variety of methods are known for birth control, which are used for, yes, prevent fertilization and prevent pregnancy, also avoid fertilization and avoid pregnancy. Name any two spermicides. We detail discuss different spermicide forms, tablet, jellies are different spermicides. Which one is natural temporary contraceptive methods? The natural temporary contraceptive method known as natural method or safe period or rhythm method is one of the natural temporary contraceptive method. Which temporary method is based on the fact that ovulation does not occur during the period of intense lactation? Yes, lactational amenorrhea or absence of menstruation is a temporary method of contraceptive based on ovulation does not occur during the period of intense lactation. If you like the video, then subscribe my YouTube bioinfo channel, tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.